Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Olds, our 55 Olds. 99 420 it shows. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Guessing the fuel tank, fuel sending unit's bad. It's pretty typical on these old cars. There's your wipers. Make sure they're vacuumed. Back down, girl. Gotta love old vacuum wiper systems. Hear the radio. Kind of just a hum, though, so I wouldn't say it works. Horn does. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, they gotta warm up. That's what I forgot. The radio's gotta warm up. I don't know if that fan's working. So the fan may need to be looked at. We'll turn the lights on and take a listen to the engine. Dome light works. There's the old rocket, got power steering. Runs good. Good lights. Look at them cool tail lights. They're hard to see, but they are working. Really neat old car, clean old car, great affordable driver. You know, I have a lot of 57, 55 to 7 Chevys running around, not as many old. So same design here with that flip down when you shut the door. So pretty cool, nice old car. 605-695-7391.